Natural gas last week achieved the levels which we were looking forward to. I have shared several times that I am looking forward to 2.0 to 2.05 zone. Beautifully, it has done that. And since then, it has retraced, closing at the support zone at 1.95. Now, can we expect net gas to stay bullish in the coming week? Can we expect a gap up and a rally on the upside in the coming week? Or is it again going to reverse and trade bearish? And it has formed a double top and preceding was the rise, it can fall. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share twice a day reviews and targets for natural gas, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates and notifications, or join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Else, yes, you can also join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. In this update, first we look into charts alone, followed with indicators, and towards the end, I will be sharing the trading strategy and levels to watch out. Do watch till the end. Now coming to monthly. On the monthly charts I've shared earlier, see 5 bearish candle. This could be the reversal sign. And for this to be the reversal sign, net gas has to show a stronger move. Right now, what I can see here is it is forming lower highs and getting little hesitant at 2.05 levels. Now it is very important for net gas to break beyond 2.05. Then I will be looking forward to 2.2 levels as the first target, and in fact, I will be looking forward to a stronger rise. So if this is a reversal sign, it has to deliver higher highs. Thus, at least towards the end of this month, we can look forward to 2.2, 2.4 zone. Yes, a stronger rise cannot be denied. If you look at the monthly charts again, see drop here, retracement, lower lows, and even if it tries to retrace and stay in this bearish channel, we can look forward to 3.2 levels in the coming few weeks. So let's say even if it is bearish, it has to bounce back a little. Hopefully, we can look forward to a rise from here. Coming to weekly, on the weekly charts, see lower highs, lower lows, hitting the bottom here, trying to move towards the top of this channel. And this suggests that 2.4, 2.5 levels very soon cannot be denied. Else, and yes, it is still in the bearish channel. Next is after the sharp drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. So it is still under retracement. It has to break beyond 3.3, 3.2 zone in order to confirm the reversal here. Now look closely at the last two candles forming a reversal here. I can see symmetrical moves here. Couple of red candles, couple of green candles. What preceded this was a greener candle and a gap here. Now what could follow? This is a red candle. So I will also look at if it is not to be treated as double bottom, because if it is double bottom, it can resume the downward journey and move towards lower lows. Else I am still bullish as long as in the coming 1.86, 1.84 zone is not taken on the downside. We should not be treating natural gas as bearish. This point should be very clear. 1.84, 1.86 zone, as long as it is not breached, we should not be treating natural gas as bearish. And on the upside, as long as it stays above 1.8586, we can look forward to higher highs, and then we can look forward to 2.1 levels as well very soon. So coming week is going to remain critical for natural gas. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, I have mentioned double bottom. Now see, where did we see the double bottom? See, first of all, the rise was there. It has retraced. It has double tested it, consolidated, and then has given a breakout. Now after the breakout, what gas has done? It has almost achieved, you can say, the top here. So yes, after the double bottom, it is forming a double top. And the next point to note here is it is still respecting the higher lows here and higher highs here. So this is indeed in a bullish channel. So if you see net gas staying above 1.96 in the coming week, you can buy. However, it is going to be riskier because 1.98 to 2.0 to 2.05. 3 to 4 very nearby resistances here, and only if you see natural gas is staying above 2.0506, you can say now it is turning bullish, and we can look forward to 2.1 and 2.2 levels as the next targets. So this is something we should always keep a note of. On the downside, breaking below 1.88, you can take a sell entry. 1.86, 1.84, very good support here. If it breaks below this, then we can say now the bears are taking over. And thus again I am re-emphasizing, as long as 1.86 levels are not broken on the downside, do not treat natural gas as bearish. Now coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, you can see similar observation. After the retracement, it is formed a bottom and then this is stronger rise. It has retraced, it is formed higher low. So 1.85 here, 1.9 here. And if it breaks out beyond here, in fact 1.9698 zone, if it breaks, I will treat this as a breakout after the retracement and we can look forward to 2.05, 2.1, 2.2 levels very soon. So now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. First, let's have a look at the indicators on the monthly charts. See, on the monthly charts, moving averages crossing over here and the median of the Bollinger Bands coming down sharply, and the divergence of the price from the moving averages calls for natural gas to converge towards the moving average very soon. It can try to move towards 3.2, 3.5 zone. And any point of time in the near term, if you see net gas is staying beyond 3.5, 3.7 levels, stay bullish, we will look forward to 4.4, 4.5 at the next target. Right now on the monthly charts, it appears to be in a bearish territory where the moving averages are trading with divergence. Now look at monthly stochastic, it has come to oversold levels, and whenever it hits oversold levels, it always tries to achieve higher highs. So this is one possibility for a rise, cannot be denied. Look at now, see MACD on the monthly charts. After this stronger rise, it has crossed over, it has stayed bearish with moderate momentum and it is still looking downwards. So we can still say that on the monthly charts it is starting to converge, it is not yet converged, and we have to wait for a crossover for confirmation of the rise or reversal. RSI flat and trying to rise a bit. Coming to weekly, if you look at the weekly charts, the 20 weeks average and the median of the Bollinger Bands both are situated at 2.18, 2.2 level, and thus it appears that 2.1, 2.2 levels for net gas is an achievable level here, and beyond this only we can expect it to trade bullish. Stochastic is rising here. Look at MACD. If you look at MACD, after the drop it is retraced. This is the major channel, then it is retracing now, and a crossover here will lead to higher prices. RSI rising from the oversold levels. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, we can clearly see prices have come to take the support from the 20 period moving average, and now after taking the support, it is again trying to reverse. So in the coming week, with the very first day, if you see net gas breaking beyond 1.96 levels, 1.98 levels, stay bullish. We are looking forward to a rise above $2 levels, where 2.0 to 2.05 levels are going to be critical resistances. As you can see, it is still trading in this channel and highs cannot be denied. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD is still in green, and here on MACD on the daily charts, several times before I have shared double bottom, and it has a scope to reach towards the double top levels here. RSI is comfortable on the daily charts. Now coming to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, prices have taken support from the 100 period average. It is consolidated enough. It is trying to rise further, and that is why 1.96 to $2 levels are going to be the critical resistances here. Moving averages are still in green and are running parallel over each other, which is signs of bullishness. Stochastic rising back to overbought. MACD has seen strong bearishness. It can converge crossover for a rise, but right now it is not showing much signs. RSI is rising. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. Now these levels are based on the weekly reviews, and if you want to understand how net gas behaves and what are the targets on a daily basis, I do release twice a day updates, first with the Asia and Europe session and next with the US session. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon to in order to get the necessary information, and also you can join the free telegram channel for live updates. Now first let's talk about the levels to buy. As I have shared, 1.96 you can buy, but then 1.98, and then 2.02, then 2.05. Four levels where we are going maximum resistance. Thus, as long as net gas stays below 2.05, we are not treating this for a breakout. Beyond 2.05, we will look forward to 2.1, then 2.18, and then we will directly see 2.3 levels. Now 2.3, 2.4 are the two critical levels which are definitely achievable and have a greater resistance for natural gas there at 2.3, 2.4 zone. Just be watchful of that. Beyond that, sky is the limit. On the downside, where you should sell, I will only recommend a sell at 1.92, Then you can look forward to 1.88 and then 1.86, 1.84, 1.8. Now on the downside, you can see greater support exists for gas here. If it breaks beyond 1.8 is where we can see slight bearishness towards 1.76, and 1.7 levels below that there is a sharp fall which can be seen. So take your positions accordingly. I do not see net gas breaking towards the 1.7, and even if it tries to drop, I think the worst case should be at around 1.78, 1.76 level. Thus, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do all the twice a day updates. Thank you very much. Do join the free Telegram channel. Do join the mentorship batch and the Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.